Christmas time at Jollibee. Christmas time at Jollibee. I'm not even good at this, Mama. I still haven't been able to do this right. Santa Jollibee. Jollibee the elf. Hey, what's it? Jollibee the elf.
Jollibee.
Get over there. Closer.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Merry Christmas.
Excuse me. How are we gonna get there? Let's go this way. Yeah.
The car, it always stay on this side.
Jollibee. Jollibee, Jollibee, Jolly, Jolly.
There's a lot of people there. So you don't have to go there inside.
Yeah, we
There's
do.
a lot of people. Oh, let's go if you want. Here.
Peanuts. Peanuts. Eggs. Everything. Brownies. They got brownies. What is that?
You don't eat that.
So tell me what it is again. Say it again.
Kalame ube.
Ube.
Yeah.
And it's a root?
Yeah, root crop.
Root crop.
Yeah.
She cleans it
Yeah.
and then she boils it.
He have boiled already.
Oh, okay. And then she mash it down.
Yeah, they will mash it.
You cook.
Like mashed potato.
Yeah. Ube.
They will put creamer, yogurt, margarine, butter, and they will make nothing. Ano yung kay English?
Ay, kabalo na. Dati kayo. Pasok ka na.
a lot.